Hello again, folks. Back on the cuffs. This is for the Shackleman P4 challenge, set by Stu Dini. And what he wants us to do, again, he said I'm all right to use the ASP 100s as chained cuffs. I don't have any peerless, but he said these are fine. So what he wants us to do is pop the cuffs on. And this is to double down Bobby, I think he's called it. And then set the double lock, like so. Like so. There we go, for squeeze test. Okay, so what we have to do is use any tool we want for a smooth getting the double lock off. I'm going to use the bobby pin again, because why not? So we're going to go in. He says. Get the double lock off, that's that one. And which way was it? I always forget which way I'm going. That's that double lock off. And then escape one hand using the bobby pin, which, as you know, I did on my last video, using these for the P3 challenge. There we go, so that's that one out. And then the last one he wants to just shim out of. You can like this. So using the ring shim idea from Lockpicking Paul, which kindly nicely conceals behind my wedding band, I'm going to shim out there. There we go. Brilliant challenge, thank you very much. That is P4 for the Shackleman challenges from our brothers over in the US. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, take care, everyone. Bye-bye.